everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a prosciutto and arugula pizza on the Karma 25 Big Swede Barbecue edition from WPPO. So the first thing that we're going to do is to get the pizza dough started, and we're using Matt Frampton's his Urban Slicer outdoor grilling pizza dough, and we're using this because you only need to keep the pizza oven at a temperature of 550 degrees, which makes it a little bit easier to control. So the first thing that we need to do is mix this up, and this is how you do it. In order to mix the pizza dough, you want to add the entire packet of dough mix into a large bowl, and then add exactly 1 cup, about 236 grams of warm water. Then you want to mix well until the dough is smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes if you need by hand. Then you want to form the dough into 2 identical sized balls and let rise in a covered bowl for about 2 to 4 hours at room temp. So while we're waiting for the pizza dough to rise and be ready, it's time to light up the Karma 25 wood fire pizza oven. And the way that I like to do this is start about 45 minutes to an hour beforehand, because that will allow the stone to get really hot and nice, and that would just make for a more evenly baked pizza. So this is how we're going to do it. Start by placing a couple of Fogo starters and some pecan chunks in the oven. Light the Fogo starter and make sure that you open up the chimney. When you have a nice fire going, you can add a couple of more pecan chunks. And when you get a really good fire going, you can start moving them around inside the pizza oven to make sure that you heat up the stone evenly. After about 45 minutes, when the stone is evenly heated up, you can move all the burning wood and all the embers to one side and keep it in place using the wood grate. And now the pizza oven is ready for some pizzas. So the pizza stone is now sitting at a temperature of between 550 and 600 degrees, which is perfect. So it's now time to start shaping the pizzas and adding the toppings. The first thing that we want to do is add some semolina flour to the pizza peel so the pizza will slide off easier. Then we're going to flour the pizza dough and shape it carefully into a nice thin round pizza. Thereafter, you want to put on the pizza sauce, and I have a pizza sauce that I made with some olive oil, San Marzano tomatoes, and some basil. Next, we want to add a little bit of finely minced garlic. Then let's sprinkle some red onions on top. Then we're going to add some finely shredded Toscana cheese that we flavored with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Last but not least, we want to tear up some slices of prosciutto ham and place it on the pizza. Then we want to put the pizza in the Karma 25 wood fire pizza oven and bake it for about 90 seconds. After about 90 seconds, we want to rotate it. And when the pizza is starting to get a beautiful crust, it's time to remove it. After removing the pizza, add a couple of leaves of baby arugula. And that is how I make my prosciutto and arugula pizza on the Karma 25 Big Swede Barbecue edition from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try the pizza and see what it tastes like. So here we go. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.